The impact of motivation on community. Jesus' perspective. Jesus believes that motivation should build and strengthen communities. He advocates for actions motivated by love and a sense of duty to others, which fosters unity and collective well-being. Satan perspective. Satan argues that individuals should prioritize their own success over the community's needs. He suggests that personal achievement naturally leads to a stronger community as a byproduct of individual excellence. Conclusion. Jesus contends that focusing on personal success often neglects and undermines communal harmony. He emphasizes that true community strength arises from individuals motivated by compassion and a commitment to the common good. Main lesson. Motivation centered on the well-being of the community fosters unity and collective prosperity, whereas prioritizing personal success can undermine communal harmony and long-term stability.